And now to Washington, where the Justice Department says there is no evidence of widespread fraud in the 2020 election.
Which goes against what the president has been claiming now for a month. CBS 2's Dick Brennan here now with more. Dick.
Yeah, well, Maurice and Christine, Attorney General William Barr has been a staunch defender of the president, and the Justice Department vowed to look into claims of fraud if they existed. But its findings will likely infuriate the president. Attorney General William Barr said in an interview with the Associated Press that, to date, we have not seen fraud on a scale that could have affected a different outcome in the election. Of the claim that machines were programmed to skew results, Barr said, the DHS and DOJ have looked into that, and so far we haven't seen anything to substantiate that. But the White House responded with a statement from Trump's attorney Rudy Giuliani that read, there hasn't been any semblance of a Department of Justice investigation. The Justice Department also hasn't audited any voting machines or used their subpoena powers to determine the truth. And of the Attorney General, the statement said, his opinion appears to be without any knowledge or investigation of the substantial irregularities and evidence of systemic fraud. Barr is now at the White House for a pre-scheduled meeting with the Chief of Staff.
I guess he's the next one to be fired, since he now, too, says there's no fraud.
Help is on the way.
President-elect Joe Biden introduced his economic team. Treasury Secretary nominee Janet Yellen, a native of Brooklyn, told how her father got started as a doctor during the Great Depression.
He looked for a home and a place to hang his shingle near the Brooklyn docks. At the end of the day, he would talk to me, my brother, and my mom about what work meant to his patients.
Neera Tanden, the nominee for director of the Office of Management and Budget, told of her life after her parents divorced and her mother was left alone, jobless, raising two small kids.
She faced a choice: return to India, where at a time divorce was stigmatized and the opportunities for her and her children would be limited, or keep fighting for her American dream. She stayed.
Wally Adeyemi is a Nigerian immigrant whose family suffered through the recession of 2008 in California.
The pain of this was real for me. It wasn't just numbers in a report or stories on the nightly news, but neighbors and friends who lost everything.
The new economic team. Now, Attorney General Barr confirmed tonight that he's appointed a special counsel who can continue to investigate in the next administration the origins of the Russia probe of President Trump. In the meantime, Rudy Giuliani is denying a report by the New York Times that he discussed a preemptive pardon with President Trump. Christina Maurice.
Okay, Dick, thank you.